back, Vlogg boys. Okay, it's eating time. Traditional Japanese food. Oh, it smells so good. I'm just gonna get right into this. The first bite. Okay, guys, we're gonna just get right into this. Today we have some I don't know why I hate myself either. But today, I'm about to drink 26 of these bad boys. These Ichigo Karipistos. Also, there's these little, like, shot things, too. Let's just get right into it. I'm pretty dehydrated. I haven't really drinking anything for, like, a couple of years now. But we're just gonna get right the frick inside of this thing.
You gotta do it on your tongue, okay?
There we go. Yeah. There's one. 25 left. I hate my life. I'm just kidding, I actually love this. This is my favorite drink ever. This is like what I've been dreaming of. On bottle 2. This is bad.
Yeah, you're on bottle 2.
I do not believe what my stomach is feeling like right now.
It's really like happiness. You're gonna kill yourself.
I've never been happier in my entire life. Alright, there we go. Second one.
You're shaking, bro.
Nah.
Are you okay?
Nah. I'm not a quitter.
Dude, what? What are you even on right now?
I'm on life, bro. I've been on that bad boy for 19 years.
High on life?
Oh my goodness. You made it to 3 bottles.
His insides decided to start rejecting.
I didn't make it to 3. I made it to 2.5.
All you need is to eat the rest of those Walmart cookies.
Oh my gosh, I actually feel like I might throw up. Dude. Okay, I'm not quitting. I'm just saying that I know my... No. I don't have any limits either. I'm just saying that I want to savor this for longer. So I think what we're going to do now is I'm going to have a plot twist, and instead of drinking 25 of these, I'm going to just drink 2.5 because I like them so much. I want them to last longer, and I don't want these experience to just all go away.
You didn't even drink 3, bro.
So my I'm gonna call it there. Might as well just give a shout out, cause you know Vlogg Boys, it's almost 2 years old. In like a week it'll be 2 years old. 毎日その Vlogg Boys によって僕の人生を勝ち上がってきました。それも今から多分もっと Vlogg Boys 使うできない。でもできれば僕はもう一度 Vlogg Boys 使います。それも来年僕が帰ります。だから Vlogg Boys は終わりませんでした。Oh, hi. Thanks for watching. GG.